If you are looking for a CRM to manage customers, automate marketing, and grow your business, you have probably come across HubSpot. But is it still the best CRM in 2026? In this video, I'll cover its key features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is HubSpot? HubSpot is a cloud based CRM platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It combines customer relationship management with tools for marketing, sales, customer support, content management, and automation, all in one platform. Key features. One of HubSpot's biggest strengths is its free CRM, which includes contact management, deal tracking, email tracking, meeting scheduling, and reporting. For growing businesses, HubSpot also offers AI powered sales and marketing tools, email marketing and automation, sales pipelines and forecasting, customer service ticketing and live chat, landing page and website builder, detailed analytics and customizable dashboards, integrations with thousands of third party apps. Pricing. HubSpot offers a generous free plan that's suitable for individuals and small teams. Paid plans start at relatively affordable prices, but costs can increase significantly as you add users. Advanced automation and additional hubs like Marketing Hub or Sales Hub, it's a great option for scaling businesses, but it can become expensive for larger teams. Pros: easy to use interface, excellent free CRM, powerful AI and automation features, comprehensive all in one platform, large integration marketplace, great educational resources and customer support. Cons: advanced features require higher tier plans, pricing can rise quickly as your business grows, some customization options are limited compared to enterprise focused CRMs. Is HubSpot worth it in 2026? For startups, small businesses, and mid sized companies, HubSpot remains one of the best CRM platforms available. It offers an excellent balance of ease of use, automation, and scalability. However, if you need highly advanced customization or you are managing a large enterprise with complex workflows, solutions like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics may be a better fit. Final verdict. Overall, HubSpot continues to be one of the top CRM platforms in 2026. Its powerful free plan, user friendly design, AI powered tools, and all in one business platform make it an excellent choice for most businesses. If you are just getting started or want a CRM that can grow with your company, HubSpot is definitely worth considering. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new review.